Today, I'm back on the island of Capri, and I can't wait to share with you some of my favorite places to sip, to shop, and to get some really sweet bites too. I'm Brian Hart Hoffman. Welcome to this episode of The Baker's Passport. One of my favorite ways to enjoy the island, especially in the slower moments, is strolling and shopping to see what Capri has to offer. My home away from home in Capri is the winner of the best small hotel in all of Italy, La Minerva. Beautifully designed and appointed spaces, like their welcoming living room and serene pool, are some of my favorite spots to relax. Brothers Marco and Antonio have created a 5-star experience that carries on the family tradition of hospitality. When you visit, make sure to stop, sit, and relax to enjoy a cocktail from our favorite cocktail magician. Another can't-miss activity while on Capri is enjoying lunch at La Grotel. With fantastic views of the Arco Naturale, this 4th-generation family restaurant is literally built into the rock face. Be sure to order one of my favorites, the ricotta-filled ravioli caprese that's handmade each and every day.
This with almond, this is butter, sugar, chocolate, and the eggs, and she's the boss of Costanza. They make everything kitchen, for dessert, kitchen, ravioli, everything.
Grazie. Thank you.
Thank you.
A trip to Capri isn't complete without experiencing it from the water. I enjoyed time with friends taking in the views of the Faraglioni and the delicious boat picnic that made the end of the perfect day. When the day trippers leave, the pace of the island calms down, and I love to come to the Piazzetta for an aperitivo here at the Grand Cafe. For me, Campari Spritz, to soak in the amazing weather, and a delicious day should be finished exactly this way. Cheers.
Cheers.